In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage late clock-ins in QuickBooks Time using the browser version. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your tardy data, how to interpret it, and how to use it to support accurate payroll and better team management. Start by opening your browser and logging into QuickBooks Time. This walkthrough uses the web version, which gives you the most complete access to reporting tools. If you don't see certain report options, make sure your user role has permission to view schedules and timesheets, or check with your account administrator. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and click Reports. Under Schedule Reports, select Tardies. This report focuses specifically on late clock-ins compared to scheduled start times. It's a great way to quickly spot patterns and hold consistent, fair conversations with your team about punctuality. Keep in mind, the data reflects the schedules you've set in QuickBooks Time, so accurate scheduling is key. Next, set the report dates for the period you want to review. You can choose a single day, a week, a pay period, or a custom range. Aligning the dates with your payroll cycle makes it easier to reconcile time and address any adjustments before processing pay. If you want a tighter view, use the filters to narrow the report by team members, groups, or customers. Filtering by team members is perfect for looking at a specific person. Groups help you focus on a department or location. Customers are useful if your schedules and time entries are tied to specific client work. Click Run Report to generate the results. Depending on your date range and filters, it may take a moment to load. When the report appears, review it carefully. You'll typically see who was scheduled start, the actual clock-in time, and how late they were. Look for recurring trends like frequent late arrivals on the same day of the week, which can signal scheduling conflicts or commute issues. If you need more detail, you can click on a time entry to edit it or add notes about the late clock-in. Notes are helpful for documenting context, like a verified traffic delay or a pre-approved schedule change. If you make edits, ensure they're accurate and saved, and keep your audit trail in mind for compliance. Finally, use this information for approvals, payroll adjustments, or coaching employees. Reviewing tardies before approving timesheets helps prevent payroll errors, and clear documentation supports fair, constructive feedback during one-on-ones. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.